the breaking developments taking place. Temple politics is back in spotlight. Parliament Defence Panel's unofficial visit. We're given to understand that the panel members will visit Ayodhya, and the BJP has now targeted Rahul Gandhi over the visit. BJP says Rahul Gandhi is skipping the Ayodhya tour. Rahul Gandhi is a member of the defence panel, but he is not joining the panel members in their visit to Ayodhya. Congress says visit in personal capacity, no official visit of the panel to Ayodhya. BJP says Chunavi Hindu identity of the Congress. BJP has taken a jibe at the Congress. Congress has hit back at BJP over the attack, asks who made BJP the gatekeeper. So the panel members of the Parliament Defence Panel are going to visit Ayodhya. BJP says Rahul Gandhi is also part of the panel, but Rahul Gandhi is skipping the visit. Rahul Gandhi is not going to go to Ayodhya. So BJP has taken a jibe at Rahul Gandhi at the Congress party, saying they become Chunavi Hindus during elections. Congress says who's the BJP to take a call on who should visit and when. Let's go across to Niyamika. She's getting more details. Niyamika, the argument coming in from the Congress camp is that this is not an official visit and this is a visit in personal capacity. BJP is no one to tell us when to go and who should go.
Well, yes, indeed. The Congress party has clarified that this visit of the Standing Committee on Defence, that is going to end today, which is on 22nd January, as that last meeting is going to take place in the Varanasi Cant area. And after that meeting, there are several members of this Standing Committee who are going to pay a visit to Ayodhya as well. They are going to visit the Ram temple. But on the other side, the politics has also started over the same, because the BJP is saying that Rahul Gandhi has skipped this meeting only because he doesn't want to go to Ram temple. But on the other side, the counter attack is also coming in on the part of the Congress party. The Congress party is
please hold on. Let's take a look at the responses coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP has put out a post in which he is hitting out at Rahul Gandhi. He says, and I quote, 2 years since the historic Ram Mandir consecration, yet no visit by the Gandhi Vadra family to Ayodhya. Now even the parliamentary panel visit hangs in uncertainty as Rahul Gandhi hasn't confirmed his presence deliberately. Rahul Gandhi is anti-Hindu, anti-Sanatan. That's Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP. Let's also listen into the reactions that we have lined up, how the Congress party is hitting back at the BJP.
Of course, Mr. Pawan Kheda is very correct. Who is BJP? BJP कौन होते बनने वाली भाई कि राम मंदिर जाओ मत जाओ? बीजेपी तो जानती है कि आप राम मंदिर नहीं जाओगे. बीजेपी जानती है आपको दिली खुशी कहाँ होती है जाके. थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है, दूर कर देना. वो पारसी वाले में जाने में अच्छा लगता है या वो मस्जिद में या मम्मी वाला? That we don't know. But you deliberately don't want to go to Ram Mandir, that is fine, and we are happy with it. आपके जैसे लोगों को वहाँ पाँव में नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. Good enough. Don't go.
Who is the BJP to decide whether who will go to a temple when? Who are they to decide? They cannot apologize to the Shankaracharya. The Shankaracharya is sitting on a dharna. They need to be answerable first.
So they are basically saying that he's trying to skip that particular visit.
Who are they to decide? Who are they to decide? सरकार चलती नहीं है, चलें मंदिरों की भी रक्षा करने, चलें धर्म की रक्षा करने. न धर्म संभाल पा रहे, न सरकार संभाल पा रहे. न ये न काम के हैं न राम के हैं.
एक नियम होता है कि स्टैंडिंग कमेटी कहीं जाता है तो कोई अगल बगल का दार्शनिक स्थल होता है, उसका भी दर्शन करता है. अब राम मंदिर जाने में इनको इतना कतराहट हो रहा है, इनको लगता है कि इनका सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग खराब हो जाएगा. ये विकृत मानसिकता जो है, ये इसके अंदर में क्या है, मुझे लगता नहीं है कि राहुल जी को भी खुद पता है. कि वो कह रहा है कि माइंड इन अ डिसरे, यही हाल है.